Hello mommies and daddies, welcome to my channel Parenting Decoded by Minu. So today we will talk further about how to raise an independent kid. For doing so, we will discuss about dressing up as one skill which we all wanted to teach them early in their age. Dressing up itself is a whole lot of activity, I must say. It includes putting up of clothes, wearing the shoes, combing the hairs. If we further break down putting up of clothes only, buttoning and zipping are two activities which kids learn over the time. So I thought I should first take buttoning up as an activity. So why this seems to be a difficult task for the kids? It includes bilateral coordination, which is nothing but the usage of right side of the body and the left side of the body together at the same time. Fine motor skills, which is usage of thumb, index finger, middle finger together at the same time. Motor planning and sequencing means to carry out a normal task, and hand strengthening. This is little DIY which is called as snake ladder. I have created myself to teach my kids about the process. There are tons of them available online. In case you want to buy them, I'll put the link in the description box below. In fact, if you want to create yourself, you can buy the stuff online as well. If you want to know how I have created the simple DIY to teach kids about the buttoning process, watch this video till the very end. Use a tabletop method before starting with the dress on their body, or you can place the dress over the floor also. Teach them unbuttoning first. It will make the learning process easier. Use big and colorful buttons. It will help them visually. Also, if you are taking a help of DIY, you can buy kids button online on Amazon. If you are using an old shirt, make a little big slit with the help of scissor. Don't use pattern clothes. It will confuse them visually. Teach them a simple trick. You can say hint. Tell them to pinch the button, find out the button hole, push the button, pull the button. This happens in simple 4 steps. I'll show you once again. Pinch the button, find the hole, push the button, pull the button. In the same way, unbuttoning is done. If you like the content, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Do watch this space for many such useful videos. Parenting Decoded by Minu signing off. Bye bye. Take care.